the title is The Smart Farmer and the Bank. The topic simple English is there. They have the 8 and 9 characters: narrator, farmer Ram, cashier, bank manager Rajesh, assistant clerk, farmer friend Mohan, a student visit is also, and women customer is also there, and security guard. So I am the narrator. Okay. Ready? Yes. So good morning everyone. Today we will hear about the simple interest through a short story as you see, right? A farmer named Ram want money to buy seed. You know, season farmer season is going there. So he goes to the Dhanlakshmi bank. Okay? And farmer Ram and Mohan now enter the bank. Okay? Now it's your turn, farmer Ram.
Yes.
And Mohan enters. And you come this side here.
Sir, अभी नहीं तो बात है, अभी इंसाइड नहीं करना, बाकी क्या बात है? Please welcome to Dhanlakshmi Bank and please go to the cashier. Please go to the cashier.
You are talking. Yes, you have to talk with a louder voice, sir. Okay? Come this side. Any dialogue you can yes, you can speak the front of this one. Farmer are discussing there.
Oh, Mohan, farming season has started, but I don't have enough money to buy seed and fertilizer.
Then you should take a loan from the bank.
Loan? What is loan?
A loan means borrowing money from a bank and returning it later with some extra money. It's called the interest.
Interest? I don't understand.
Let's go inside the bank. The bank people will explain.
What's your name, sir?
Let's go inside the bank.
मिडिल है ये मिडिल है ना
Yes, sir.
ये प्राइमरी है
Primary bank.
Sir, welcome to Dhanlakshmi Bank and please go to the cashier counter.
Ma'am, I want to borrow some money from for farming.
Then please be our bank manager.
Ma'am, I want to borrow money from farming.
That means you want a loan. Our bank gives loan with simple interest.
What is a simple interest?
Good question. Simple interest is extra money paid when someone borrows money.
Yes, in math, we study in class 5.
Yes. First we must know three things: principal, rate of interest, time.
Please explain them.
Okay. First one is principal, the money we borrow from the bank. Second one is rate of interest, the percentage of interest charged by the bank each year. Third one is time, the number of years we keep the money.
So these three things are needed to calculate simple interest.
Exactly.
Now this is the scene 3, ma'am. Scene 3. Yes, scene 3. Meeting the bank manager. Now it's time for the assessment. Now.
Welcome, Mr. Ram. How much money do you need?
How can I help you?
Okay, please.
Please meet our bank manager.
Welcome, Ram. How much money do you need?
Sir, I need to 10,000 for a seed to buy seed.
All right. So your principal 10,000. Our bank interest rate is 5% per annum.
That means rate.
Ma'am, camera देखिए.
Oh, that means rate is 5%.
And for how long will you keep the money?
For 42 years.
So time equal to 2 years.
Now the bank staff will calculate simple interest. As you see, the bank staff will calculating simple interest. Yes, here right on the board. Right on the board, you can use. Who is assistant clerk?
Your principal is a CD. Principal is 10,000. And rate of interest is 5% per annum. And time is 2 years.
Now this time assistant clerk finding the simple interest. As you can see that 10,000.
इतना कैलकुलेशन हो रहा है
This is the simple interest.
1,000.
So, the simple interest is 1,000.
That means I have to pay 1,000 extra.
yes
Now concept of amount. Student digital is to
Wait. Here is another concept called amount.
What is it?
What is amount?
Amount is equals to principal plus simple interest.
assistant clerk dialogue से मैम आप लोग देखिए यहाँ पे dialogue देखिए so in this case dialogue से देखिए dialogue देखिए
Principal equal to 10,000, simple interest equal to 1,000 and amount equal to 11,000.
So after 2 years, I will return 11,000 to the bank.
Correct. That includes the principal and interest.
within 5 minutes then Farmer Ram understood the concept of simple interest. Now Farmer Ram
Thank you, Dhanlakshmi Bank. Now I understand.
पूरा साल करना
Principal, rate of interest, time, principal, rate of interest, time, simple interest, amount.
And the formula is simple interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into time upon 100.
this moment हम लोग
Banks is useful in real time.
Yes. Banks use simple interest for loans and savings.
yes maths make our life easier. Now and Farmer Ram successfully used the loan for farming and earn a good harvest. Thank you everyone. Now we have to come. Thank you everyone.